Hi, we're at Glen Falls outside of Stowe, Vermont, and we're in the parking area right here. And be aware that it only fits about 12 vehicles, so a good time to get here would be early in the morning or on a day it just stopped raining now and there's only 3 vehicles in the parking lot. So we're here ready to go up the trail to see the waterfall. All right, let's go. So a nice thing about this trail is they have all this wood, so you don't get too muddy. There are trail areas, but they have this wood to keep your feet from getting all wet and muddy. As you can see, the trail goes from a wood pathway to dirt and back to some wood. So it's a good idea to have some shoes. You may get a little muddy if it. It's also a good idea on the trail. It's the 2nd of August, but it's a little cool and damp, so a very light rain jacket is a good idea also, because it's about, what, 58 degrees?
Yep. Also probably a little backpack to carry water in. As you can see, it gets a little steep when you get closer to the waterfall, so you may want to have a little better shoes on.
So thank you for taking this short hike with us to this beautiful waterfall. For more information, you can check the link below.